Hi there, how are you? Today I'm going to tell you about KinkaToken.com. The next big wave in the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem. Hold on to your wallets, crypto blazers. Kinka is about to shatter the blockchain skies. We are not just launching a token, we are unleashing a tidal wave of innovation, rewards, and moonshot potential that is being brewing in the shadows. Let me tell you about Kinka. Kinkaju token was initially launched on July 10, 2023 on the Binance Smart Chain, leveraging its fast block times and lower gas fees compared to Ethereum. The project aimed to bring cryptocurrency to the average person while supporting those in need. However, it failed to achieve its goals due to errors in the contract address, learning from meme token procedures like Wikicat, Oshicat, Baby Dodge, and Shiba Inu born from online meme communities. Kikaju King Kaju token has evolved. Its deflationary mechanism triggers auto burns with every buy, reducing total supply and potentially increasing value. We have various options in the header section like tokenomics roadmap, vision, buy Kinka, white paper, I tell you about each and every option. Be with me till the end of the video. Vision is Kinkaji token is dedicated to building a vibrant, inclusive, decentralized finance (DeFi) ecosystem on the Binance Smart Chain. Its deflationary auto liquidity pool token is designed to create value through cutting-edge DeFi solutions, yield farming, gaming, and payment systems. Here is our roadmap. In phase 1, development and launch smart contract development, token distribution, decentralized exchange listing, marketing campaigns, Pancake Swap listing. Phase 2, platform growth, CGCMC listing, Kinka Farm and Kinka Port development, strategic partnerships, security audit, centralized exchange listings, community building. Phase 3, expansion and integration. Integrate Kinkaju token with blockchains like Ethereum for greater interoperability. Development new DeFi. Introduce a governance system for token holder voting. In phase 4, mass adoption and charity. Expand globally, targeting emerging markets, launch a mobile app for easy platform access, enable merchants to accept Kinka as payments. Here are our tokenomics. Total supply is 500 million Kinkaju. Liquidity 200 million 40%. Initial burn 50%. 50 million 10%. CEX listings 50 million 10%. Team 20 million 4%. Reserve and development 50 million 10%. Marketing 50 million 10%. Charity 25 million with 5%. Airdrop 55 million 11%. Tax 4% buy and 4% on sale. Here is our contract address, which is renounced. Rewards token, Wikicat coin, WKC, and Giant token, GTAN. Here is our contract address. Copy it to your clipboard. Our partners are KJC Calls, BNB Smart Chain, SMC DAO, Pancake Swap, and others as well. You can join us on Twitter, Telegram as well. After clicking on Buy Kinka, you will be redirected to Pancake Swap. Connect your wallet, click Connect Wallet, select your wallet, scan the QR code, and it's done. Select the amount you want to swap in exchange of Kinkaju. Like for 1 BNB, you will get around 9.7 million. You will get around 9.7 million Kinkaju for 1 BNB. Right? Here is our white paper. You can read the total white paper by just clicking on white paper. Here is our white paper. You can read it as well. Like table of contents, abstract values, Kinkaju token ecosystem, Kinkaju token protocol, roadmap, tokenomics. I already told you about each and everything about tokenomics roadmap as well. So here is our DEX screener. You can see Kinkaju on DEX screener. Price in USD is 0.045346. Price in WBNB 0.078816. Liquidity is 7.66k dollars, while the FDV is 20k dollars. Market cap is 20k dollars as well. It is up by 0.63% in the last 1 hour, while up by 2.05% in the last 24 hours. Here is the price trend price chart and the open orders of Kinkaju. Total order book is right here, like last order 13 minutes ago, 45 minutes ago, 52 minutes ago, 1 hour ago, 2 hours ago. Total buying volume in the last 24 hours is $124. Selling volume is $85, while 9 buyers and 4 sellers right here. So here we are on Dex Screener as well. Here is our Twitter. You can join us on X, formerly known as Twitter. You can join us on Telegram as well, Kinka Token Official, to get latest updates about Kinkaju. Hope so you understand the video. If you understand the video, share the video with your friends. We'll meet in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.